Buenos nachos, guys. So yeah, change of plans. Me and Chris are gonna actually just head to one of the local beaches, and we're gonna probably skip crab. He's probably gonna, aim for crab. He's in the More Than Fishing online tournament hosted by none other than More Than Fishing June of More Than Fishing. So that's going on this weekend. Hopefully you guys are getting in your catches. Good luck to all the competitors, of course. Me, I'm just gonna do my own thing, I guess. I got a day off today, and like I said, I'm gonna meet up with ChrisFishDish today, and yeah, we're gonna hit the surf, and try to get those perch. We're gonna search them out. Me for myself, I'm not in the tournament, but maybe we can get Chris on some fish. So yeah, I'm waiting for him. And yeah, I guess we'll see you on the water, guys. Got a shirt and everything?
Yeah, man.
How are you, man?
How you doing this? I'm just watching Edward live right now.
Oh, really? What the hell? Yeah. So yeah, we made it to the spot here. I'm gonna try something new. I'm pretty sure I've discussed this. This is my Rockaway. I'm sorry, Kuma Rockaway. Now this is a 10-foot rod. A 1/2 inch to 2 ounce, so, and I believe this is the ML version, I think, and this is very parabolic, as they say. So hopefully this will be the replacement to my SST rod, but we'll give this a shot, and of course my Penn 3500, and yeah, we'll see. We got Chris back there. Boom. Get this guy on some perch, and he's definitely going for crab, so we'll get it going. Oh, fish on, baby! Chris! Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah! I was waiting for that one. Woohoo! Cool! I bought this on Amazon. It works! Dude, I bought this trailer on Amazon, and they work. Right on the lip, dude.
Nice.
Cool.
Okay.
Chris, come on, hurry up, dude. Chris. Yeah. Dude, Amazon trailers, baby. Cool. Nice, dude. Don't kick sand in my face. Ha! Awesome. Come on, Chris. They're here, baby. Dude, you don't even need to throw it that far. They've all been close. Oh, oh, right in the ear, dude. Dang! Ah, it's in my ear. Ah. What happened?
Nice strong ass bull.
It's always Modelo time somewhere. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. It's always Okay.
Oh man. Oh man.
Ah.
I want some crab. They said it was slow at Pacific up here too.